What is your name?
My name is Lokshita.
Which standard?
I am studying 5th B.
Shall we do the listening now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First sum. 38, 40, 92, 53, 67, 81. That is
371.
correct. Next one. 90, 31, 62, 17, 85, 23. That is
308.
correct. Next sum. 74, 91, less 26, 80, less 69, 35. That is
165.